Hey guys, welcome to yet another traditional Guyanese recipe here on Realize Guyana. Today we'll be cooking fried fish, and this type of fried fish we are making here today is the one that will go with dal and rice. As I said in another video that this fried fish for dal and rice is seasoned different. So this is the kind of fish we're using here, the size, and this size you don't want to really use the very big fish. You can if you want, but this size are okay. To me this tastes more delicious. And we're gonna be using this fish seasoning here. A bit of that. So first of all, we're gonna wash the main ingredient here, guys. So we got these here with the heads already off, and they were already gutted. If you're having the ones with the heads on, you can fry them also with the heads on. Some people do. And you can remove the bones like that if you like. If not, you can leave them in. Because these are small, the bones will be a big problem. But these smaller Bangamaries, they are very delicious. So you want the seasoning to be thin so that it seasons the fish properly. So we're gonna pound everything in this mortar here to get it as fine as possible. You can use a blender if you like, but as I said, with a blender you have to add some water to that, and that dilutes the seasoning, so it's better to pound it in this here. We also added the thyme there. Okay guys, so we've pounded the seasonings into the scallions and everything in here, also the thyme and everything. And this is what you're looking for. And you see you now have the rich paste of all the seasonings there. So we've set some oil to hot here while we're gonna season our fish. Or if you season this, you can leave it for a few hours, a couple of hours, whatever you like. Of course, it's gonna be a little bit tastier if you leave it for a while to marinate with the seasoning. So that's some of the fish seasoning there. And that's some curry powder. And that's all the ground goodness from there. That's just all-purpose flour. And now you want to rub that in very well. And if you've never had fish fried this way, guys, I urge you to try this. You're gonna love this. Okay, our oil is hot and it's frying time. So these don't take very long to fry, my friends. They get brown very quickly. So this is just about 2 minutes and we are turning here. So you just want to fry the other side just like this here, and that's it. Okay guys, so it's just another minute or so and I'm gonna check this here. I think this is done. Once the first side is fried, it takes a bit longer, but the second side doesn't take as long. So you gotta be careful of that. So just don't leave it in there thinking it's gonna take the same amount of time as the first side. So this is done. This is fried perfect for dal and rice. And there you go. So that's how you fry fish for dal and rice, guys. And this is so delicious. And you see, we have our rice here and our dal, and now we have our fried fish. So we're all set. Okay guys, so that's it for this recipe. That's how you fry fish for dal and rice. And Molly is just gonna show you there. See that? Still soft and nice in there, and that's how it should be. If you cook it any more than this, it's gonna get a bit more stiff, but this is soft and nice. You don't need to fry it any longer than we fried it there. Okay, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.